Is it time to buy or sell TransCode Therapeutics stock? In this video, we will explore TransCode Therapeutics in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025. And now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the first day of May in 2025, our system has categorized TransCode Therapeutics as a hold or accumulate, awarding it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. A score of 0 signifies that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the recent developments, we find ourselves unable to predict the stock's next direction, as it may trend in either direction. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and declining trend over the short term, indicating further potential decreases ahead. The present 3-month trend suggests a possible decline of approximately 83.72% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 100% to negative 40.49%. When considering a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 56.33%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 100% and 2,150.95% over the coming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price between $0 and $12.70. Our latest daily update for TransCode Therapeutics includes the headline, High Volatility in TransCode Therapeutics Incorporated Stock Price on Thursday, which ended trading at 564 thousandths of a dollar. The TransCode Therapeutics Incorporated stock price gained 38.71% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, rising from 407 thousandths of a dollar to 564 thousandths of a dollar. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 67.32%, with a day low at 470 thousandths of a dollar and a day high of 786 thousandths of a dollar. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 58.16% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 128 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 130 million shares bought and sold for approximately $73,005,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $66.33, and the lowest price was 22 cents. Currently, the price is 99.15%, or $65.77, below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $184,799.44, below the all-time high on the 9th of July, 2021, when the price reached $184,800. TransCode Therapeutics, trading under the ticker RNAZ, has made significant strides in its Phase 1A clinical trial of TTX-MC138, which targets metastatic cancer. As of the 1st of May, 2025, the company reports no dose-limiting toxicities among the 13 patients treated so far, with 2 patients maintaining stable disease for over 7 months. This promising safety profile could enhance investor confidence, positively influencing the stock in the near term. In addition, TransCode's recent upgrade to a Zacks rank of 2, indicating a buy rating, reflects growing optimism about its earnings potential. Such upgrades typically drive interest and demand for the stock, potentially propelling its price higher in the short term as investors capitalize on the positive sentiment. Looking ahead, the company has postponed a special meeting to secure additional votes on important proposals, now scheduled for the 2nd of May, 2025. This timing suggests that management is focused on strengthening shareholder alignment as they progress through their clinical trials. The stock's performance could be influenced by the outcomes of this meeting and ongoing trial results, making RNAZ a stock worth watching in both the short and long term as updates unfold. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned RNAZ a buy rating, while also recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned TransCode Therapeutics stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for TransCode Therapeutics. TransCode Therapeutics Incorporated has received buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During downturns, support is anticipated at the levels of 0.417 and 0.521. A decline below either of these points will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, April 17, 2025. And since then, the stock has experienced an increase of over 106%. Further growth is expected until a new top pivot point is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 263 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 46 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 58 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 111 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for TransCode Therapeutics. TransCode Therapeutics Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $0.541, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.316 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 67.32%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 26.72%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for TransCode Therapeutics, let us first discuss some important fundamental data. To begin with, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio, is an essential indicator that reflects a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may reveal a lack of profitability and could hint at bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 21st of May, 2025. Analysts estimate a consensus of -$2. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TransCode Therapeutics. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TransCode Therapeutics is at 0.590. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider swing trading. On the downside, TransCode Therapeutics encounters its first support level at 0.541. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for TransCode Therapeutics from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 14th of June, 2024, when Marche Magda conducted an insider purchase of 70,000 shares of stock option, which grants the right to buy. Our recommended stop loss is set at $0.543, indicating a decrease of 3.68%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 9 days ago. Is TransCode Therapeutics stock a good buy? TransCode Therapeutics Inc. presents several positive indicators, yet we do not consider these sufficient to categorize it as a buy at this time. Currently, it is better regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may choose to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Our analysis has been revised since the last evaluation, improving from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate status. Upon reviewing the volatility and trading patterns from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of May, we anticipate that TransCode Therapeutics will open higher by approximately 4 cents, beginning trading at around 60 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.